look who it is. Dust them off.
Good.
All right, don't be shy. You don't have the information. Oh no.
I've never been on camera.
Woke up too early for this damn meet. Here we are. Drove an hour out the way just to go to CNO. And you know what we're doing? Sitting in the car. I'm gonna walk around and stuff. I have stuff to do on the Z and everything, but we haven't gone to a meet since October. Yeah, it's been a hot minute. So we're here. Before we head out of here, gotta acknowledge the V. This thing is so freaking clean. I love this color. Do you know the name of the color?
It's a Emerald Frost.
Emerald Frost. This is probably one of the best looking OEM, right?
Yep.
Yeah, OEM, one of the best OEM looking colors ever. First time seeing the GR Corolla in person too, right? Wait, is this the new one? Am I crazy? I don't know, but I like it. So I was walking around and I'm like, all right, this thing is stupid clean. And of course we got Dustin Miles, and then look who it is, Dustin Miles.
Good. How are you guys?
Man, this thing is sick. So I was talking with him, which is crazy. The fact that it's after drift season. Well, it's about to start back up, what, in like 2 months? Something like that?
Like 4 months.
4 months?
4 months. May.
May? All right, yeah, I was close. But the fact that this thing is still stupid clean, like he kept it all together. And he does all the work himself. You do it all yourself, right? That's wild. Plus, especially it keeps costs so low for the season too. That's wild, man. I'll leave his info and everything. Thank you, bro. He's sick. I'm not gonna lie. I looked at this. I was like, "Is this a G, bro?" Drift spec G. This thing is so clean. It's so sick. Functional aero, functional stuff. I don't know what this goes to. Oh, I don't know what it cools, but it cools his, I guess, his race suit. That's sick. Rear mount. So fire. And of course, my favorite part, LS swap.
You can see straight through the car.
That's sick. The tube front, big ass turbo. That's fire. Doing it like that is so much easier, but I want to keep my core support, you know what I mean? Just to have like that OEM look, you know what I mean? But I'm not gonna lie, honestly, I'm kind of impressed. And meeting up with some homies, now I just gotta find Doug. All right, don't be shy. You don't have the information. Oh no.
I've never been on camera. So it's Erosion. It might be a Q1. I've never seen Erosion in person, so I'm really excited. But these things would take on non-LP Gallardo back in the day. Yeah, it's usually like the 2.3 EcoBoost you'd find like in the Mustangs or the Focus RS or something along those lines, and it's in a super light chassis.
And then how much? You said it weighed like 2,000 pounds?
It's super light. Like,
jeez, dude.
Yeah, don't quote me on it, but it's somewhere around there. Yeah.
But any kind of power around that weight, man, it's gonna boogie. That's gonna be super fun.
Yeah, they're similar to like the Noble, not the Noble we didn't get, you know, the one in Europe that's really cool that uses the Volvo SUV engine. This one is like the Noble right before that one. I've always wanted to drive one.
Just ask for the keys, bro.
Yeah, because that's exactly how my life works.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Literally. Found Doug's car. Can't find Doug, but it looks so much different with the drag pack on it. But if you guys haven't seen, last time we got into some goonery with this car. But it looks so good on drag wheels, man. Like, Doug's car is the one, excuse me, little lady. Doug's car is the one that made me really want the 9 Lives Racing front splitter. It looks really good. Plus it's just functional, so it would pair well with the wing that I have. But yeah, I think it's sick. And also some quick love to Aaron's car too, because he just finished the carbon fenders. Came out clean. Just a friendly reminder that John don't know what he's talking about. Black on carbon on black looks good.
Hey guys, I just want to remind you, if you have a drone in the air right now, if I can go ahead.
Dude, so literally it just helps keep the car cool. I stumbled on this and I was like, what the hell is going on?
Behind the engine to keep the engine from coming back into the compartment if you get hit head on. This one doesn't work like that. but that's where I got the idea from.
Like overall, it's just, I mean, it's unique. It's hard to be mad at any car that's just unique and, you know, their own thing. Whole bunch of wheels floating here, but it's pretty fire. Oh, sorry. It also says Dolph on it. I wonder if it's just like a tribute thing. I don't know, but it's pretty tight. Got the GT.
I know. That's just one thing.
Dang, whole lineup goes deep. This is fire. Oh, dang, whole lineup is stacked, bro. Damn. Dude, I follow you on Instagram. I follow you on Instagram. Dude, you're so cool, bro.
You're so cool.
You're so cool.
Don't you have that, like, that LS black Z thing?
Oh, the thing that hasn't
That
ran
thing?
for like a year?
Or that thing, right?
Dude, man, it's good to see you, man. Hey, you're really on live, bro?
I really am.
And Bear's out here. She brought her S chassis too. This thing is like hella clean. Shout out to Bear, editing her videos from now on and stuff, but genuine car person, genuinely cool person. I fuck with Bear heavy. How often do you see a CTS, I don't know, like dumped like that? He's gotta be static, because look at the damage to the bumper.
Yeah.
There's no way. All right, well, that's it. We're gonna head out. Yeah, wait, you're walking over like you're trying to make me drive. Okay. SpongeBob guy, my leg. All right, I'm gonna head back to the house because I do have to show you guys what this whole video is about, which is about this turbo, and then also I got a little Morimoto upgrade too. But yeah, let's pull up back to the crib and then we'll finish up. And here we are, a new day, because the weather was terrible and gotta keep going, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna show you guys the new turbo that I have, and funny enough, it is from MAxPeedingRods. I'm just gonna do the unboxing. I don't know if I'm gonna run it or not. I'm kind of down to just kind of see what this Max is out at, and it's not that serious. I could easily just switch turbos, so it's not a big deal. So it is a T4. Once I get to the house, I'll show you guys the exact size, spec, and everything I got and what comes with it. But I'm hyped because I have been moving a little bit slower with the swap, but mainly because I've had some financial burdens, but that's something I can finally start moving past. And also, it's just been too damn cold, bro. The Floridian in me is still real. I am not working on this car in no damn 9-degree weather. Got me effed up if you think I'm gonna do that. But whatever, let's show y'all what you got. MAxPeedingRods, y'all are dope. You know what I mean? Last turbo was just too small. Did a giveaway. I think in total had like 10 million views, and they fired me out another one. So let's see what this thing's all about. So MAxPeedingRods hooked it up with yet another turbo. They sent me out their GC45 turbo, which is supposed to be rated for about 600 horsepower, but from what I'm seeing, it's possible it could actually make more. It's pretty dope. I'll put the specs down below, or at least leave the link down below, so that way if you guys want this one, you can get it. But let me show you what it comes with. So I have previously already opened this up before, and it's the usual, but this time I actually got the decal. I think the the person that was handling the package last time, it came in. My GoPro is not cooperating with me. It's saying that like it's dying, but okay, but then yet it still works. This makes no sense, but I'm just gonna continue here. But comes with the manual, and of course the gaskets that you would need. So this is a twin scroll turbo, so you have a twin scroll gasket. But last but not least is the part that you guys want to see. This big old thing. I don't know if you can really tell how massive. Like, I have big hands, right? And this is huge. This is a really big turbo. But not only is it really big, but it's also really heavy. And I'll show you guys the backside in a moment. But geez, dude, look at this thing. Hold on. Just to add some perspective, look how huge this looks in the engine bay compared to everything else. So I am gonna have to get creative with how I mount the turbo. I'm figuring, of course, once it's clocked properly and everything, but maybe something like that where it's there, and I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out. Obviously, that's not, nah, that wouldn't work. But I'll figure it out with whomever my fat guy is, and we'll try and just get this thing. Oh my god, first thing falls. But we'll get it figured out, because I've seen bigger turbos mounted on these things. But shout out to MAxPeedingRods, because they don't have to help me, but this is now the second turbo they sent out, and I like showing the options because this is supposed to be a mild build. I do have another turbo that I'm going to use, but I don't mind trying this one out just to see how it is. Maybe even do a comparison video. I don't know. But there's always people that are on a really tight budget. I think this thing sells for like $300, which is absolutely insane that a turbo, especially of this size, is that cheap. So a lot of people get scared of using them. But you know what? I don't want to tell you guys that they're bad. Let me find out. Let me do some testing, and then let's see. And if the thing holds up, now you know you have an option. I know people use the GT35 a lot for drifting, so I don't know. I just don't want to be that guy to say it's bad just because it's a cheap turbo, but we'll see. I also don't want to tell you, yes, it's amazing without data to back it up. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. Interesting time at CNO. Typically, I'm not a huge fan of going to CNO, but there are so many homies that I think, honestly, I had an awesome time. Linked up with Bear, one of my old homies from like way back in the day in elementary, like back from South Florida. I don't even know how we linked up together, like small world. Garrett, everybody, man. So, and then of course went with VQ Bell. It was lit. But if you guys like the video, you guys know the vibes. Hit the like button, subscribe for more. Stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one.